Sabi nila, when you finally meet the one, your life will change.
Good morning.
Your mornings will be sweeter,
Kit-kit mo na.
your house will be more happier, your days will be better. It feels like you can go on all day because you have someone special to share your life's ups and downs with. Nung nakilala ko si Zeffy, ang dami ko natutunan sa kanya. Natuto ko magluto, maglaba, maglinis, lahat na. Pero the biggest lesson na natutunan ko sa kanya, natuto akong i-value yung time. Every moment is really special kapag kasama ko si Zeffy. Parang ang gaan ng loob ko palagi. Siguro dahil alam kong Zeffy will never leave my side. Kasama ko siya sa kabaliwan, sa food trip, movie marathon buddy ko rin siya at #1 supporter ko kapag naglalaro. Zeffy is always there to accompany me. Even at my lowest.
Oh, baby. What's up? Yeah? Wait. Ano? Maghiwalay na tayo? Ha? Baby, wait lang. Baby, pag-usapan natin to, okay? Pag-usapan natin to pag-uwi mo. Baby, please don't do this, please. Baby, huwag mo end. Wait lang, baby. Baby!
Zeffy never let me feel na mag-isa ako. She's always there to comfort me. Cheers me up when I feel down. She saved me from turning my back on the world. I wish I was able to save you too, Zeffy. You are so selfish. All this time, you care for me. I didn't even know na nahihirapan ka na pala. Paparty ako ngayon, okay? Behave ka. Huwag kang makulit. Dito ka lang. Oh, andyan na sila. Una na ako, ha? Behave ka. I love you. Sorry when you're struggling, I'm not on your side. Sorry when you need me the most, I'm not there.
Zeffy, gising, Zeffy!
I wish I had more time with you, Zeffy. You deserve all the love in this world. Thank you for making me the man I am now. Thank you for making me feel a love that's worth remembering.